Okay, I'm walking out here today with Kira. And Kira, where are you from?
Strasbourg.
She's from Strasbourg, but where are you living right now?
Montreal.
She lives in Montreal. Came all the way from Montreal today to go skydiving with us. That's good. So there's the plane we're going to be jumping out of, the blue one. I guess blue and white one. The area that we're going to be landing. What do you think about that? Canola's good. Okay, Kira, so we're at 10,500 feet. You're going to open the door. This is where we're going to be sitting. I'm going to be behind you. Hardest part about this jump right now is you got to get your feet out from inside the plane to out onto the step. So I'm behind you. I get my feet out. My foot goes on the step. Then how you're going to do is you're going to lean back a little bit, put your feet high in the corner up here, and put it on step. Just like that. Yep, put both feet on step. When you're sitting there, cross the arms across your chest. Excellent. Put your head back. Take a breath. And it's going to be ready, set, and away we go. And we're going to roll out of the plane, and we're going to come this way. So come on out. Yeah, we're going to roll out of the plane. Yep. Yep. Okay, we're now in free fall. Once we get nice and stable, I'm going to tap you on the shoulders. That's your cue to bring your arms out. Let them fly. Bring your arms out. Yep. And enjoy the ride. Relax. Now the last and the most important thing is for landing, you got to let me land first. So I'm going to say feet up. You need to pick your feet straight up like that in front of you. As high as you can. Try it again. Good. Excellent. Any last words before we go? Love you, Mom.
Concentrate, sit and listen. Don't go trying to find all the things you're missing. I don't own you, I don't pretend to. You get those signals I never sent you. Keep on driving, striving, and never have any fault of yours. You're alright denying you feel too far down. You don't feel the same. Get the sense, get on up and at it again. Oh yeah. If I were to swear to you, confess to you the best I knew, could it ever be enough to keep me from black and blue? Bad friends who said to be there till the bitter end, means long enough to kick you down again. Inflict wounds I never mend, never mend. This is the story of bad friends who said to be there till the bitter end. When they fly right by you like a fashion trend, they'll pick you up, kick you down again, down again, down again. Long.
That was awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Never been to this place without